it's over, call it close, but we all know what this is gonna be.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Matt. Today we've got an exciting video. I'm in my 2012 Boss 302, codename Hellboy. I don't really use it very often, but I call the car Hellboy. And before anyone asks, you see, I know people, last video got commented about this plastic bag that's on my headrest. Everybody's like, what's up with your seat? Basically, guys, I'm in the military, and I wear product in my hair to keep my hair looking, you know, tidy. So this prevents my seat from getting messed up. But today we got an awesome video, guys. Meeting up with a filmographer, and we're gonna get some awesome cinematic shots of the car. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. I don't really know what to expect. It's my first time doing something like this, so we're gonna get over there, meet this guy, and let's see what he can do. All right, guys. So today I'm here with Enrique Films. He's getting all set up. And we're gonna put his links to his, you got a Facebook page and Instagram, right? We're gonna put that down in the description below. But he's gonna do some awesome videography here on the Boss. I'm pretty excited to see what he's got going on. He's got a sweet Ronin set up. You know, that's goals one day, but I'm not anywhere near that. But can't wait to see what he can do. You know, we try and do some cinematic stuff, but there's only so much you can do with the GoPro. So he's gonna hit a lot more of it, a lot better than I can do. So I'm pretty excited to see what he makes from this. All right, so I'm gonna let him do his thing. We'll catch some video on him, and then yeah, I'll have it at the end here for you guys. Yeah, she looks good. Ready. See, I feel like I look silly when I do it when I do that stuff with my cell phone, but you know, got to get a rig like that so you look like a professional. Yeah, make sure you guys check him out. Enrique Films. It's going to be on Instagram. It's going to be on Facebook. It's down below. Check it out, guys. Go give him a follow. And if you're interested in your own little cinematic shoot after this, reach out to him. He'll be happy to hit you up in here in the Jacksonville all the way to Raleigh, North Carolina area. So reach out to him. It's Wilmington, Jacksonville, and Raleigh. We're revving the piss out of it. Shot water all over his camera. Whoa.
The ball is over, call it close, but we all know what this is gonna be. You came to fail the test, you met the best, expected chess, but got monopoly. Apologies, I am no prophecy. I just been counting, never lounging, climbing up mountains, bouncing back. Step in the ring of us, you step back. They'll learn hot when I get on the.
All right, guys, so Enrique Films, he just took care of the Boss. He created a cinematic little video. I can't wait to see how it comes out. Make sure you guys, if you're interested in the Jacksonville, what areas of North Carolina do you serve?
Raleigh, Wilmington, and Jacksonville, North Carolina.
There you go, Raleigh, Wilmington, Jacksonville, North Carolina area. If you're here locally and you know me, check him out if you enjoyed the video. And he'd be more than willing to hook you guys up with the same kind of treatment. And I'm excited to see how this turns out. And tell me if you guys like it, comment down below. Make sure you hit that like, smash that subscribe button. We'll have more content for you in the future. Maybe me and Enrique can collaborate on something else here in the future. But until next time, guys, take care. Alrighty, folks. Nice cool day. Barely any gas, so no weight. And new tires. Let's see how well they grip over here in a second. Oh yeah. The answer is very well. I'm liking these new tires so far.